Hi, first graders. Today we're going to be working on lesson 15-1, Make Equal Shares. Our I can statement for today is I can determine if shapes are divided into equal shares. Let's take a look at our solve and share question. Part 1 says draw a line inside the blue circle to show two parts that are the same size. Where could you draw one line to split the blue circle into two equal pieces? Try it. In the yellow circle, draw a line inside to show two parts that are not the same size. If you tried to divide or split the yellow circle into two pieces, where could you draw a line so that the pieces are not the same size? Go ahead, try it. Let's take a look at an example. Diane drew a line going straight across the middle of her blue circle. She has split the circle into two pieces of equal size. The top half circle is the same size as her bottom half circle. She has two equal pieces. In her yellow circle, she drew her line near the bottom. This has split the circle into two pieces. However, the pieces are not equal. The top piece is much larger than the bottom piece. Let's take a look now at our visual learning. Shapes can be divided into parts or shares. Sometimes the shares are equal. Does this shape show equal shares? Is this shape divided into shares of equal size? Yes, the shares are equal. Into how many shares is the circle divided? Go ahead and count the shares or pieces of this circle. If you think about it as a pizza or a pie, and you were to cut it on the lines, how many pieces would you have? Let's count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 shares. This shape is divided into 4 equal shares. Sometimes the shares are not equal. Into how many shares is this shape divided? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 shares. Are the shares equal? Take a look at each share or each piece of this circle. Are they equal? Think your answer. Say your answer. No, they are not the same size. Some shares are larger than other shares. Into how many shares are these shapes divided? Each shape has 2 shares. Which shape is divided into 2 equal shares? So our orange rectangle has been divided into 2 shares or pieces. Our blue rectangle has been divided into 2 shares or pieces. But which one is divided into 2 equal shares? Remember, equal means the same. Let's go ahead and sort the shapes by which ones have equal parts. Going to select a shape. I want you to think to yourself, is it equal or not equal? What our red circle? It's been divided into 4 parts or shares, equal or not. Did you say not? This one has shares that are different sizes. What are blue rectangle? It's been divided into 2 pieces, equal or not equal. What do you think? Not equal. The piece on top is much smaller than the piece on the bottom. Let's take a look at our orange rectangle. It's been divided into 2 pieces, equal or not equal. Did you say equal? We have 2 pieces that are the same size. Let's take a look at our green circle. 4 pieces, equal parts, not equal parts. Think your answer. Say your answer. Good. This one has equal parts. All 4 pieces are the same size. Let's take a look now at our yellow rectangle. This one has been divided into 4 pieces, equal or not equal. You should have chosen equal. All 4 pieces are the same size. And last, we have our green rectangle that's been divided into 2 pieces, equal or not equal. Think your answer. Say your answer. Correct. This is not equal. The top share or part is much smaller than the bottom share. The orange shape is divided into 2 equal shares, which shows 4 equal shares. Are these shapes divided into the same number of shares? No. Which shape is divided into 4 shares?
Select your answer.
The yellow shape or the green shape? Think your answer. Say your answer. The yellow shape has been divided into 4 shares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are the 4 shares equal? Yes. This shape is divided into 4 equal shares. The green shape shows only 2 shares that are different sizes. Now you know about making equal shares in different shapes. Let's take a look now and continue our lesson. Let's look at the Do You Understand box. Show me, is this shape, our orange rectangle, divided into equal shares? Explain how you know. If I look at each piece, I see that yes, they are divided into equal shares. I know they are equal because each piece or each share is the same size. If we were to cut out our 2 triangles here and match them up, they would be the same size. Remember, equal means the same. Now for our guided practice, we're going to decide if each picture shows equal shares. Remember, equal means the same, and shares is another word for pieces. So in number 1, you can see they circled yes. The blue rectangle has been cut into 2 equal pieces. Let's take a look at number 2. In number 2, I'm going to select no because I have shares of different sizes. Here I have the smallest, here I have the largest. Each of these pieces is a different size, so they are not equal shares. What do you think for number 3? Yes or no? You should circle yes. If we were to cut our circle into these 4 pieces, each piece or share would be the same size. Same with number 4. They've split their circle right down the middle, so the top and the bottom piece are the same size. They are equal. What do you think for number 5? I see 4 shares. What do you notice about the size of the shares? Are they equal? No, they come in different sizes. We have a large share here and a tiny share here. They are not equal. Moving on to number 6. What about this shape? It's been divided into 2 shares. Are they equal? Yes. The top and bottom piece are the same size. This shape has been divided into equal shares. Now it's your turn to practice. You can work through your independent practice and your problem solving. For your independent practice, if the shape has been divided into equal shares, you're going to tell me how many equal shares. If it has not been divided into equal shares, the pieces are different sizes, you should write 0 for your answer. Then you'll practice with equal shares with your story problems. Good luck and have a great day. Thank you, first graders.